Hello everyone, this is Matt with RoboMarketer, and in this short 5-minute case study, you'll discover exactly how to generate $3 to $5 qualified leads on demand in any niche for your marketing agency with our brand new RoboMarketer one-click personalized AI ad account audit feature. So let me ask you a question. What are you currently spending to generate a qualified lead for your marketing agency with ads these days? $10, $25, $50, $100 or more? Well, give me just 5 minutes and I'll show you exactly how to slash your cost per qualified lead by 5 to 10x starting today. Introducing RoboMarketer, the world's first resellable white label AI agent marketer that can set up, manage, and optimize paid advertising campaigns on autopilot plus much more. Marketing agency owners are calling RoboMarketer the go high level of AI agent platforms with our all-in-one white label agency sub-account structure to resell, manage, and automate unlimited client ad accounts from just one single centralized platform. So we've recently just launched our brand new one-click personalized AI ad account audit feature, where you simply just connect your ad account with one single click and instantly receive a personalized AI audit report to improve your ad performance in seconds. So what's included in our personalized AI ad account audit feature? Well, starting off, we have our executive summary with a detailed overview of the entire connected ad account. Number 2, data-driven recommendations to cut ad waste and boost ROI. Number 3, irresistible offer optimization strategies personalized to your exact products and funnels to boost response. Number 4, customized creative and ad copy tweaks to increase your conversions. Number 5, a step-by-step 24-hour action plan to implement all of these recommendations, plus much more. So why is this personalized AI ad account audit feature the number one client acquisition strategy in 2025? Well, to start off, it's a high perceived value lead magnet to your potential prospects, where you deliver an AI-powered lead magnet that feels like a $1,000 plus expert consultation that will help immediately earn them a higher ROI from their ads. Number 2, you're able to pre-qualify prospects up front with this lead magnet, where you'll 100% know for a fact up front that the prospect already has an ad account and is actively spending money on ads in order to get the value from this specific lead magnet. Number 3, it's a differentiated moat lead magnet, meaning that it completely stands out from the traditional boring PDF lead magnets by offering a personalized AI audit that nobody else can provide without actually building this custom technology, which we've done. Number 4, it's a universal lead magnet strategy, meaning that you're able to instantly adapt this AI audit acquisition strategy to virtually any niche for your marketing agency by simply just changing out the audience targeting and the messaging on the landing page for the lead magnet. And Number 5, as we talked about, it's a high ROI lead generation strategy where you're able to instantly slash your cost per qualified lead by 5 to 10x with this brand new attention-grabbing lead magnet that every business owner wants. So how does this personalized AI ad account audit strategy work in practice? Well, to start off, number 1, you're going to be using our plug-and-play Facebook ad template and ad graphics to advertise your personalized AI audit directly to your target client avatar for your marketing agency. Step number 2, you're going to use our pre-built website template where prospects can schedule a demo call where you'll walk them through their AI audit live in real time. And then step number 3, once the AI audit is completed, you will leverage the final 24-hour action plan generated in the AI audit report and simply ask the prospect, would you like us to do this for you so that you can improve your ad performance immediately? So that's how this strategy works at a high level. Now let's dive deeper into each step of the strategy, beginning with our Facebook ad template. So here is the exact plug and play template, which you can personalize for virtually any marketing agency niche. So we have it written out on the right side here. Starting off, you want to call out your client avatar. So whatever your client avatar is for your specific marketing agency or company, you want to call out that avatar immediately. Next, connect your Facebook ad account in one click and instantly get a free personalized AI audit report showing exactly how to boost your ad account ROI. So that's going to be the hook of the ad. And then we go into more detail of what they're going to receive in the report. So in just 60 seconds, push the simplicity angle. You'll receive a custom AI audit report revealing executive summary with detailed overview of your account performance, data-driven recommendations to cut ad waste and boost ROI, irresistible offer optimization strategies to boost response, customized creative and ad copy tweaks to increase conversions, and a step-by-step action plan to implement within 24 hours. Connect your ad account now and receive your AI-powered audit report in under 60 seconds. And then as you can see on the left side here, we have the entire ad template in the ad, and we also have the ad graphic, which you can simply just utilize our AI creative generator in order to personalize for your specific niche. So instead of calling out gym owners and having, the gym style robot in the right hand corner, and then also the background of the gym, you can just personalize that for your specific niche instead. So this is our personalized AI ad account audit Facebook ad template. Then next we have our personalized AI ad account audit demo call scheduler page, where you will leverage the AI audit in order to get the prospect to book a demo call where if they qualify, you'll walk them through the AI audit on the call so they have a full understanding and they can ask any questions to you, positioning the call as a true value add consultation instead of the traditional sales call, further increasing your conversion rates. And we also have a Go High Level snapshot, which you can download below to access this website template, and also the qualification calendar as well, which we'll be going into right now, so you have a clear understanding of every single step of this website template. Okay, so we are now inside our Go High Level account. So to get started, once again, simply just download the snapshot below, then go to the Sites tab, then click the Funnels sub tab, and then you'll see the exact funnel right here, the RoboMarketer White Label Personalized AI Audit Demo Call Funnel. Click on that, and then you can simply just click the Edit button to plug and play your own information on this specific template. So to start off, you're going to want to replace with your own logo by clicking this here, uploading your logo, and then simply just swapping that placeholder logo out. Then next you want to call out your specific client avatar, so gym owners for example. And then we have free personalized AI ad account audit. That's going to be our headline, and then the positioning in order to get them to schedule a call. So we have connect your ad account in one click, and we'll walk through your personalized AI audit live on your free consultation, so you know exactly how to improve ad performance within 24 hours. So that's the way that we position this call. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 deal. So they'll be able to receive the personalized ad account audit, but in order to do that, they need to actually jump on the call with them so that you can ultimately, once again, utilize that 24-hour action plan, which is generated in that AI ad account audit report, in order to close them on a deal, in order to perform those specific deliverables within the action plan. Then next we have our qualification calendar. So in this calendar, it's going to ask questions such as, have you worked with a marketing agency before? And then also, what is your current monthly revenue? So that's how we qualify these clients up front. But once again, because we're utilizing this specific lead magnet, we know up front that there's a 99% chance, unless it's just a spam lead, that they, number one, have an ad account, and number two, they're already actively spending money on advertising in order to get value from the specific lead magnet. So that's the best part about this specific this specific client acquisition strategy. Then next, we just have exactly what they're going to be receiving in the personalized AI report, so they know the executive summary, the recommendations, the offer optimization strategies, the creative and ad copy tweaks, and then the 24-hour action plan. And then we give them the next steps as well, so they have a full understanding of what's going to happen next. Book your free AI audit call, connect your Facebook ad account in one click. We'll run the AI audit and walk you through the full breakdown live, and then you'll leave the call with a clear action plan to improve performance. So very simple page. It does not need to be fancy. All we need to do is have them focus on scheduling a demo call, getting them on the demo call, and then closing them on that call in order to implement the specific recommendations from your AI audit. So lastly, we have the actual AI audit demo call. So here is the step-by-step outline for how you will perform the call. So to start off, just like any sales call, we have the intro and framing. So you're going to build some quick rapport, set the expectations of the call. So we're going to walk you through your AI audit and give you a clear action plan. Number two, now we're going to walk them through the exact AI audit once they connect their Facebook ad account with the executive summary, the CRO opportunities for their specific ad account, the offer optimization suggestions, their creative and ad copy fixes, and then finally the 24-hour action plan. Then next, we move into the gap awareness phase. So we ask them, does this give you clarity? And do you feel confident executing this alone? And then to build that gap between where they are right now and where they would like to be with the improved ad performance. And then finally, we give the soft pitch. This is exactly what we do for clients. And then you offer them everything implemented in the specific personalized AI audit in order to improve their performance within 24 hours. Then we move into the close phase where you simply just show them your package and pricing and then simply just ask them, would you like us to take this off your plate? So very, very simple. And that is the entire 3-step strategy. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you'd like to get started with RoboMarketer, simply click the link below.